Heartbreaking moments as the family of slain Yap Attorney General Rachelle Bergeron calls for her killer to get the harshest punishment for the crime.
You have brutally uprooted our lives. Your selfish and hateful actions have taken our daughter from us, and you have stolen our future together.
Rachel's father, Thomas, giving testimony as he stands next to his daughter's grave.
You have brought shame upon the good people of Yap, whose image you have scarred.
Bergeron was murdered outside of her Yap home in 2019. The killers, Anthony Tun Teteeth and Francis Buchon, both convicted in her death. Her husband, Simon Hammerling, still recalls finding his wife on the ground in the rain.
I still feel sick to my stomach to having had to see Rachelle go through such a painful death. I feel sick to my stomach to having lost my wife this way.
The couple had just gotten married 3 months before the murder.
Those images will never leave my mind. They will always be with me. And her words, help me, as she was laying there, they'll continue to resonate within me.
Hammerling, through his faith, says he was able to find it in his heart to forgive.
Mainly because Rachelle was one of the persons who had a huge heart and was able to forgive. But also because I know how much has been forgiven me through Jesus Christ. There cannot be justice for a murder in the eyes of the law and of the court. There can be. There is punishment, sentencing, consequences. But the life the way I chose it, the life the way I knew it with Rachelle, can never be restored.
Prosecutors asked that Teteeth spend the rest of his life locked up. Defense asking he only served 10 years with credit for the time he's been detained.
I want to apologize to this court and this island of Yap for my wrong behavior. I also want to say sorry to the family of Rachelle Bergeron for my wrongdoing. And ask for forgiveness, not today, not next week, not next month, not next year, but one day they will find it in their heart to forgive me and my families. I want to apologize to everybody. I didn't know what I'm doing. I didn't know caught up with all of Francis' problem, including me. I didn't mean to take somebody's life. It was an accident. I didn't know.
The court is mulling over the arguments and testimony before deciding Teteeth's fate. Co-defendant Buchon is set to be sentenced on February 10th.